Hi viewers, welcome to Learn That. In this video, I will show you how to model this part. It is ballooned as 12 number. Here all the dimension has been given. Please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. I post on every Saturday and Sunday at 11 a.m. for you on Catia V5. I bring all the information on a regular basis. Please subscribe my channel that so that I get motivated. So let me take a quick look of these dimensions. This is the 20. This is dia 12. And this dia is it's not given. It is 11. It is from here to this surface. It is 7. From here to here it is 4. And total is 14. This dia is 8. And this angle is 90 degrees. So let's begin. Let's go to Catia. Here select the plane. Now make a sketch of side profile. Again check in the image. This is vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, vertical, and close, and this. So now give the dimensions. Start by giving this dimension, which is here it is 7 plus 4 is 11. 14 minus 11 is 3. This dimension I give 3. Its diameter is 20. We'll give a radius of 10. This to this is 10. Next is this diameter, which is 12. Then its height is 4. So I will give this dimension 4. This is 4. Its diameter is 12. That means radius is 6. Radius is 6. Okay. Now next is this height, which is this is 7, and its diameter is 11. I will give it 7. 7. Its diameter is 11. From here to here it is 11. From here to here, 11 divided by 2, 5.5. Right? Now sketch is green, and this inside diameter I'll give it in later. So first, now I will come out of the sketch and soft this about this axis. So go to soft command and click OK. Selection, profile selection is this already selected, and axis selection, I want this to be my axis. I want this to be my axis. So click preview, click OK. Now this soft has been created. Now I will make this inside feature, which is of dia 5, and height will be 12. Go to sketch, click this plane, make a circle of dia 5, give it a dia of 5, come out of the sketch. Now go to pocket command, this is pocket, give a dimension of 12, preview, click OK. Now you can see object is created. Now we can leave those chamfers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to chamfer, click edge, face is not required. I will require this edge, and this edge and this edge. Give a dimension of 0.5, preview, okay. Now see, this is created, and you can see in the image, one chamfer is here. On this edge, I will also apply a chamfer. This part is completed. You can see by rotating. You can section this if you wish. Now see, section is shown. Okay, so that's it in this video. If you haven't subscribed, then subscribe to my channel for more such videos, because I bring all these videos for you at a regular basis. I post on Saturdays and Sundays at 11 a.m. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. If you like my video, please like it. Okay, see you in the next video.